If you're getting this error that says you need permission whenever you're trying to open a Google Classroom quiz, then stick along. I'll show you a solution to this. Now, first and foremost, let's go to Play Store and click on the three lines on the top left. Then click on My Apps and Games. Okay. Over here, you will get to see the list of apps that are not yet updated. Now, in my phone, you can see 4 apps. However, in your phone, you might see a different number. In this list, check if you have Google Classroom or Google Meet or Google Chrome. If you have any of these, please update them. Once you're done with that, then go back to your browser, that is Chrome, and then click on the 3 dots on the top right. Go to Settings. Now, by default, you might have your personal email ID logged as the main account. So click on that. Now click on Sign Out and turn off sync. You can click Continue. Now, for opening a quiz of your school, you will have to have your school email ID as the default email ID. So we'll choose another account. And over here, the school email ID is the third option, so we'll choose that. We will choose Yes, I'm in. Now, in case I want my bookmarks, my history, and my passwords of my personal email account to be combined with my school email account, I can click on Combine My Data and click Continue. Now it is syncing. Alright. So now, if I go back, I still see this error. However, I can close my Google Chrome and I can open Classroom again. Open the subject, go to my classwork, find my quiz, and open my quiz. Now this time it opens. Now in some cases it might still not open, so I will tell you what exactly to do. So let's go to Home. And okay, before we make this change, notice that over here, notice the top part of the browser. It is a Chrome browser. However, if you're not sure, what you can do is you can go to your settings and in the search you can type default and click on search. So I'm getting an option called default browser app. You might get a different option, let's say default apps or some other option. So I'll click on that. So I will click on default apps. Now in my browser app, I already have Chrome selected, but you might have a different browser. So make sure you select Chrome as your default browser. And once that is done, then you open your quiz again. So this time, the quiz should open with the Chrome browser and with your email or your school email ID logged in already. And with your ID, or rather your school email ID, you will not have an issue that says you need permission. Now this issue that is you need permission, this error normally happens if you have multiple logins on Google Chrome and the browser is not able to select the correct login. In many phones it does select the correct login, but in some phones it does not. So this is the solution to solve the you need permissions error for Google Classroom quizzes. Thank you.